In a yard, you have to street smart because common sense scarce like free data. Rule number 1. If you hear any loud bang, B-A-P, nobody look round. No ask who, what, or why. Just take foot and run. Question can wait till the belly have party. Rule number 2. No argue with the idiot. You can't win. Them train for foolishness long time. When people start that pure madness, just go and smile and say, all right, my boss, and hold your peace like Sunday. Rule number 3. Guard your money. While it's too flashy, real Jamaicans stash them cash in a sacks or in a one secret corner where even thief afraid for search. Remember? No man pickpocket uncle. Rule number 4. Follow your belly. When you're hungry, everything looks stress. So always know where jok pan there, where cocoa bread there, or who sell patty them hat. Hope important, but food a survival. Rule number 5. Keep your eye open in a taxi. If the driver start pray mid-drive, my brother, brace your spirit, grip the seat, and make sure your life right with the Father. And the final rule, laugh through the madness. Car broke down, laugh. Light gone, laugh. Clothes where you just wash wet up again in a rain, laugh louder. Stress can't beat Jamaican, because we refuse to make life get the last laugh. So remember, stay sharp, stay blessed, and stay street smart. And if you see a Jamaican run, no ask nothing. Just run too. Life too serious already, so we have to find the joke inside it. One love. Big up. Every time.